Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Encountering the runtime error, Ninja is required to load C++ extensions in a Python development environment. What potential factors might contribute to this issue, and what steps can be taken to investigate and resolve the problem, particularly in the context of ensuring the necessary tools and configuration for building C++ extensions using Ninja? The answer of the question is potential factors. Ninja is not installed in your system. Path issue. The path to Ninja is not correctly set in your environment variables. Python environment. You may be using a Python virtual environment where Ninja is not installed. PyTorch/TensorFlow version. The version of libraries that require C++ extension might be incompatible with your current setup. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.